Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 26 December 2022. Today's my Viva topic is string constant pool in Java. So in a Java string, the most important topic, there are the number of the concept related to string, but the string pooling concept, one of the which string pooling concept in Java. So strictly section of the going to down string pool in a string inter concept. So what is mean by string? String is the string pool is the nothing storage in the Java heap string threads, also known as the string instant pool or string constant pool. It is the just object allocation by the default empty and the uh, empty and the privately maintain the Java string whenever are the empty and Java string whenever are the create a new string object concepts or uh, object concept or the number of the strings increase the create a to which the replace perform the also the JVM perform the some step during the installation initialization string the increase and decrease the memory load of the become numbers of the strings becomes numbers of the string object create are the JVM in the string class keep out the strings whenever we create the string literal whenever we create the string literal JVM check first the final and string the literal already present in the pool interface to be the uh, inheritance of the not present in the most new string object take place in a string pool in this string pool. So this is the most important topic in the Java because string is the depends on a array or string working same on the Java. So string is the number of the concept we string the string pooling concepts in the is the one them string pooling concept in Java tricky. So is action are going to the string pool in a string concepts in Java. So this is the about string constant pool in Java. This is the all about string constant pool in Java or string. So thank you.